The embedded world is clearly moving to heterogeneous parts with multiple cores and often multiple architectures. Fundamentally, development tools need to be rethought to deal with this complexity compared to the much simpler single core world that's increasingly in our rearview mirror. The main challenge is that in the embedded space, there aren't a lot of good examples out there of how to tackle the complexity of working, I think effectively anyway, with heterogeneous parts. We really have to break new ground here and come up with different tools and different models of software development to make working with multi-core devices more efficient. Our solution is really redesigning everything from scratch, stepping back and making sure that we have tools that exist at the system level as well as the individual core level. And it's an important distinction, since certain config choices and certain debug challenges exist on one of those levels or sometimes in between them. And we need tools that give that kind of visibility at all levels as well as in between cores. So System Planner is the name of the tool that we've designed to enable customers to make these config choices at the system and core levels. And it allows a single graphical source of truth for resource allocation and configuration across complex SoCs. In one place, you can see which resources are assigned to which core and provide config settings that are aware of the RTOS or middleware running on that core. It enables individual software teams to work effectively together while still having control over their own individual cores and software subprojects. I should mention as well that System Planner is entirely open source and is published under a permissive license. We're more than interested in working with our customers to solve these problems together. And as you can see, based on our presence here at Embedded World, ADI is investing a lot of time and effort with CodeFusion Studio to fundamentally rethink what software development needs to be to solve the complexity challenges of these modern multi-core, multi-architecture devices. System Planner is our first major new tool in that space, providing graphical resource partitioning and config tools across cores, but it's a longer journey we'll continue to take and invest in over time. Given these are our first steps in solving a hard problem, we're very interested, obviously, in customer feedback here. You can download the CodeFusion Studio 1.1 installation and play around with the underlying source code even if you want to. And I hope you can really help us set a better direction for software developments overall. Fundamentally, we're trying to deliver tools that solve problems rather than the usual embedded status quo of tools that more often than not are the problems to solve. So let us know what you think and help us make sure that we're doing the former, not the latter. For more information, please visit us, of course, at analog.com.